Dear members of the Konkani Kristi Sabha of Divine Mercy Parish, hearty congratulations to all of you for completing 10 years of your togetherness. God bless each one of you for all that you have been doing for this past 10 years in Divine Mercy Parish. I really admire the way all of you work together as one family, as one community. You all have come from different paths to Pune, probably your grandparents or your parents or you yourselves. But your culture, and namely your language, brings you together. And even though you do not remain limited, restricted in this one group, you go beyond. You mingle with each and every person of the parish community. You make parish lively and active. All of you, almost all of you, are part of various parish associations. You have kept faith alive and active through various activities that you organize every year. You are concerned about those who are marginalized in the society, and therefore you also organize various social activities. And I'm very happy to say that the young generation, they take it forward what you have been doing. God bless each one of you. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for the wonderful support that you have been giving to the priests of the parish. Thank you for the support and friendship that you have given to me. May you continue to remain a blessing for the parish. May you work for the growth of the church, for the well being of the society. And may you continue to spread the love and compassion of Christ in the parish and in our diocese. God bless each one of you. Have a wonderful time. May these 10 years be soon turn into 25 and then 50. May you continue to work passionately for the growth of the faith, for the growth of the community. Thank you. God bless you.